Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to share with you my Bet365 value betting challenge. What is the challenge, I hear you say? Well, the challenge is I want to make £1,000 profit from my Gubbed Bet365 account, starting with just £100. Now, I have actually already started doing this challenge, so I'll share with you my results on the laptop in a minute and show you exactly how I'm placing these bets and what I'm doing to try and achieve this. But getting onto the laptop then, let's go through exactly what I'm doing here to make this £1,000 profit. So using the value betting software that I've been using for a few weeks now, what I've actually done is if we go to options here and then jump over to filters, I've set it up so that the only bookmakers I'm getting suggested value bets from are Bet365, Betfair, Matchbook and Smarkets. And that's purely the exchanges there. I've set those up just so that whenever I get a good exchange value bet, I post it into the Profit Boss Discord group for the members. So I check if there's enough liquidity there and then I post it in there for the members. But I also, the main thing here is I have Bet365 set up. So the minimum value percentage I've set up for this is 6%. Even though the software does recommend a minimum of 4%, I wanted to go at 6% just for that bit of extra value. And the maximum I have set up is 15%, and that's because it was recommended to me that anything over that sort of risks your account health, risk you getting shut down completely actually. So yeah, 15% is the max cap there. Then I have the time to start match there, or should I say time to match start. And it says at most 60 hours, so no match will be shown to me that's longer than 60 hours away or further than 60 hours away there. And with the odds, minimum and maximum, we've got min 1.40 and then a max of 3.2. The reason for those odds is just that's a nice sweet spot there. You're not going too high and then obviously not going too low. And with that set up on the filter, I literally just click over onto the bet section and wait for any bets to be suggested to me. So currently here on the laptop, it's saying there aren't any available for my criteria. So we will hopefully now get one or two through so I can show you exactly how to place these. But if we go over to Bet365, I'll just share with you my results so far from doing this. So starting from the £100, as I said I am doing, you can see the balance is now £105 8 So it's not just £5 8 in profit though, because as you can see here, I have 20 outstanding bets. And if we go to unsettled, here's the 20 bets here. So they're all value bets there of great value, over 6%. And they're all £1. So the balance is actually the £105 8 plus £20. So obviously it's actually £125 8. So give or take a few pennies, that's £25 that I'm currently in profit with many bets to finish up. And what I'm going to do with this is every time, so we hit an extra £50 profit, I'm going to up the back stakes. So of course, with £100, I'm using £1 back stakes. With £150, when we reach that, I'm going to go to £1.50 stakes. And then when I get to £200, of course, £2 stakes, £250, £2.50 stakes. So you're always risking a maximum of 1% of your bankroll. Now here on the software, there weren't any 6% plus value bets, so I did actually just drop the filter down to show minimum 5% value because I did want to show exactly how to place these bets. So if we click on this top one here, which, to be fair, 5.7% is pretty close to 6% anyway, we would just click on that and then you would press bet here. Now that should load up the bet, but as you can see, it's not done so. What I've found is with the tennis bets, it doesn't load them up. So as a really quick way to get them found, you would just simply copy the or highlight the player's name, press Ctrl+C on the keyboard to copy it, then jump over to Bet365 and click the search bar there next to the balance, your account balance. Then press Ctrl+V on the keyboard and that'll pop it in the search there. Now that's brought up a couple names here. So Pedro Rodenas is the player that we want. And then the other player that they're against is Seko Bangura. And as we can see there, that's the correct match. So it's always worth just double checking tennis players' names to make sure. We want to see here, so Pedro Rodenas, and then it's the first set win first set bet, and we want back odds of 3.0. So you can see here, first set winner, Pedro Rodenas 3.0. So you just click that, and then you can actually set it to remember what your stake is. So I've remembered £1 there. And then I would just press bet. So I'll just do a live bet there, even though I didn't really want to go over 20 bets per day. But there's number 21. So that's it. You've logged that. You've placed that bet. And then you would go back over to the software here and click this log icon. Now, what we can do here is then jump over to the tracker, the bet tracker in the bottom right-hand corner. And as you can see at the top there, that's actually logged it in there as the back odds at 3.0, the player's name, and the value percentage. And it is saying that it's a £30 stake that I put on that because I'm using higher stakes here for bet logging purposes to show what profits you could make if you were using a £5,000 bankroll with this. But for educational purposes, we'll go ahead and place one more bet here because I don't want to do too many. So let's just do this one really quick then. So select the top one, and then we highlight the player's name, Control C, go to the search, Control V, select that match there, double check that the name is correct and the other player's name is correct. And it's Milana to win the match 2.25. So Milana there to win the match 2.25. Place the bet. So I've just done that, even with explaining that, just done that really quickly. Probably if I wasn't talking, I could do it even quicker, but that just shows you there how fast you can log those. And there we go, that's another one. Log there at that 5.5%. Now, at the time of filming this video, we're currently in the middle of August 2022. So in the middle of September, I will film an update to this and show you where I'm at with this. Have I made it to £1.50 stakes? Have I been closed down completely? Who knows what will happen, but the goal is to make £1,000 from this Gubbed bet365 account. If you've enjoyed this video though, I do appreciate you pressing the like button below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.